Good day and welcome to my YouTube channel. On our last lecture, we talked about the minimum function in an Excel and maximum function in an Excel. Today we are going to be talking about the average function. If you want to know the average amount you have spent on each and every month, so the work on the average function is most likely to be the useful function to apply to that. Okay, we are still going to apply the same method we used on our previous lecture. So let's type average here. If you still remember, we follow this process by going through the formula tab here. Then the next is go to the insert function. Then what are we looking for here? We're looking for the average. We type the average on the box there. Click on go. You can see that the average comes up. Now as the average comes up, we actually looking for, you click on it. Okay, now it gives C3. If you want to average the C3 to C14, so on our reference function there, you can see you are in C3 to C14, and that's what I'm interested in. So what I'm interested in is C3 to C9. So I'll be able to say that you average the amount I was able to spend in January between the personnel record, local, management, executive, non-executive, and whatever. Now you can now click on OK. So you can see that it has been able to give us the average amount I'll be able to spend on each month, that is 6.8. You can as well follow the same procedure on each and every month, but in order to make your work faster and easier, you can just come down to this place and just drag down the cursor down to the edge. That's all. So in other words, we have been able to determine the average amount we have been able to spend on each and every month. In January, I have spent 6.87 of the total amount here. In February, I have spent 5.71 of the total amount. In April, I've spent 5 of the total amount. While in March, rather, in April, I've spent 5.85 of the total amount. So thanks for watching my YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.